Hi everyone! So today I will be giving a tutorial on how to do a back handspring or flip. Also, remember on YouTube, you can always slow down the video, which will help you learn. Before doing a back handspring, you should always stretch your neck, shoulders, back and ankles. I usually do all these exercises for at least 1 minute each. It's also important you have a back walkover and a handstand before you attempt to do a back handspring. Also practice your drop back to bridges. Once you have these skills, try do a drop back to bridge, then try jumping from your shoulders at the end of your back limber. Make sure you keep your arms straight and by your ears and push your hips forward when you jump. And when you're more confident with it, start getting higher and higher. Don't rush though, be careful. And then when you're ready, you can start practicing doing a flick. While doing a flick, you need to lean, push, and then go, not just pushing and going. I recommend doing this on a soft surface first, such as a mat or mattress, and if possible, have someone spot you for the first few tries. Once you're ready to move the skills to the floor, you can take the skills that you've learnt on the trampoline to an air track or a mat. Once you've learnt your back handspring, you can add other moves to it, such as round-offs, cartwheels, back walkovers, and lots more. And here I'm doing a few different variations, round-off stop flick and round-off flick. If you want to learn round-off flick, maybe start by trying just round-off stop flick. I hope that helped you learn how to do a back handspring or a flick. Comment down below if you want to see me do a tutorial on anything else. Bye!